These changes will come into effect on the 2nd of January 2022. These changes are mostly surrounding the bounce check laws in UAE. Hey everyone, before we move ahead, please click on the subscribe button to stay updated on our weekly business and finance related content, which is incredibly useful for business owners, CEOs, CFOs, entrepreneurs, and those who aspire to be one. Now let's get back to the video. Hey everyone, the central bank has announced some more changes to the transaction laws in the UAE. These changes will come into effect on the 2nd of January 2022. These changes are mostly surrounding the bounce check laws in UAE. This is being implemented to bring the UAE economy to international standards. With this updated law, what's going to happen is that most of the SMEs will have better cash flow management. And this will improve the business environment in the UAE. So now let's get into some of the changes that are going to be implemented. Decriminalization. The issuance of checks without funds is now being decriminalized unless the check is being issued due to fraud, forgery, or even in bad faith. The new law is trying to focus on preventive measures. Another amendment in the new transaction law is partial payment. What this means is that the banks will be required to make partial payments from the account if the value of the check is higher than the amount in the bank account. This will give some more confidence to the suppliers to take up larger projects. The law will also focus on how to expedite the collection of the check value. The focus of the new law is on deterrent alternative penalties to reduce the misuse of a checkbook. Firstly, the checkbook will be taken away from the transgressor. Secondly, he or she may not be able to get a new checkbook for the next 5 years. Additionally, the commercial and professional activity of this person may also be suspended during this period of time. The updated transaction law is a welcome move, and there are many advantages of this. It will improve the business standards in the UAE and making UAE a much more attractive place to invest in and conduct business, which also means that the UAE's ranking for Global Competitive Index will also increase. Another advantage is that it will reduce the workload on UAE courts by reducing the bounce check related cases. Hope this video gave you a better understanding of the new transaction law that's going to be implemented in the UAE. Hey everyone, you've reached the end of this video. Thank you all for listening. If you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you'd like for us to talk about any specific topics, please do let us know in the comments below. Hope to see you in the next video.